See, Monica. Oh. Freaking Eric.
My toe folded. Hold on.
Monica, you can't see, you guys.
Shit. Shit. Fuck. Shit. Fuck. Alright, let's go.
Monica, you can't see.
I brought extra underwear. Can you not see me?
Yeah.
You were not jumping. You were jumping.
Monica.
Jump in, go. Jumbaco. Jump in, Jumbaco. 2, 3.
Hold on.
Go. Take a good video. Go.
Hold on, this is freaking too long. Okay,
Are you
there.
recording too? Yeah, so we'll have double. Oh, yeah, huh? Okay, ready? Jumbaco. Aye! 1. I'm gonna jump in. 2, 3.
I think this is too long.
Go.
Okay.
Dick's too long. Wiener. No, jump in. Let it go first.
I don't know which way you're going.
Go.
Monica, you almost.
What the hell is that? Chain? You gotta hold it like this, dude. Let me see that shit. Go jump.
I can't because it's too freaking long.
Wow, you can't see shit. Go. Don't wiggle it. You fucking suck. Okay. Yeah. My turn.
I'll hold it.
Hold the chain. Here, hold my phone.
What's wrapped around your hand?
Shut up.
Ready?
Let's do mousetrap.
Go.
Mousetrap? Mousetrap? Mousetrap?
Let's do mousetrap.
Mousetrap. Alright, let's do mousetrap.
Ready? Go. Oh, we were going the other way?
We're doing mousetrap, right? Mousetrap. I don't know.
Monica, Sheridan. Mousetrap is go one way, the other way.
Go.
One.
Not mousetrap.
Sheridan, you don't know how to do mousetrap.
I thought it was going. I was gonna jump.
Let's do Slither the snake. What? Slither in. You better jump over.
That's freaking hard.
She tried to jump over it.
I wish someone Monica could pay for it. Even though it's slow, I could do it. I'm getting wet by it.
Oh, got her.
Did you hear the sound when it touched your skin? You okay?
Okay, for a second there, I thought the window tape was the British flag. That looks like it.